Let's talk about Le Creuset Stoneware Deep Rectangular Dish, 26 cm Cerise. Holds 2.3 liters, perfect for individual or portion dishes. Stylish designed, easy grip, raised handles. New deep sides allow for ample cooking space. 5-year guarantee. Available in 3 colors. I have just unpacked this and am absolutely delighted with it. It is everything you would expect from Le Creuset. I have been using their cast iron pots for over 40 years, but this is the first time I have bought their stoneware. The color is gorgeous and matte is my favorite casserole. A word of warning: the measurements given could be misleading. I thought that the 24 cm by 19 cm referred to length x width. They actually refer to length including handles and length not including handles. The width is approximately 13 cm. I am actually quite pleased about this, as I wanted the size, so I bought by volume rather than dimensions. However, I thought that this was worth mentioning in case a buyer wanted something big. A no-name of proven quality. Although of the 4 items by this manufacturer since writing the first line about it, I have had to dispose of 2 of them as they developed hairline cracks in them, made them unsafe to use. I had only used them 3 or 4 times at well within the stated temperature limits. So much for the 5-year guarantee. I was unable to contact Amazon, so gave up in the end. Purchased as a gift and recipient loved it.